Hi friends, we have been receiving a lot of requests to convert image into a QR code or convert a logo into a QR code. We already have tools where we give you QR shapes as well as stickers, but seems like converting your logo or image into a QR code goes much better with your branding. Something like this you can see. So, and it's very easy to do so with our tool. It's just not very obvious. So I thought, like, why not to put together a tutorial for you so that it becomes much easier for you to create or convert any image into a QR code. It usually takes around 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so what you have to do is just go to the qrcodechimp.com here and get the design palette here, clicking on more QR design options. So our design palette already has like a lot of features like converting into getting a QR code into from various shapes, but for our case, like, let's focus on converting an image into a QR code. So all you have to do is go to the decorate your picture, click on add picture, click on the image that you want to be converted into QR code, and you have to make sure, like, once the image that you use provide enough white space around it, because we want to leave enough space for the iframes of the QR code to be placed around the content of the picture, not over the content of the picture. So let's see, like, you can use this tool, like you can like drag this overlay to increase the size, move it around and place it on top of your picture. Yeah, and what you can do is you can double click on just click on it and it will create the QR code, or you can go here and click on recreate your QR code, whatever is easier for you. However, I prefer like just clicking it. So this looks okay, but not that good. First of all, like, let's remove the circular shape, so that is square here. Now you can go to the shapes to reduce the body type scaling. Actually, reducing the body type scaling really gives it a much better look that we want. Now you can actually change the body type also. I prefer the first one. Yeah, it looks much better. Yep. Now if you want to convert these squares iframe into, say, circular one, you can do so. Yep, this is good. Or you can go for a rounded square and so on. So I prefer this one. Actually, all you have to do is just scan it once to make sure like everything is good. You can adjust the body type scaling, you can reduce it further, but you have to make sure, like, as you reduce the body type scaling, the scannability of the code actually reduces, so you have to balance it. And this is good, but it would be better if we can decorate it with or make it more colorful. So let's see, if I choose this color, this looks good and this is fine. Okay, this is good. Or we can go to, say, yeah, okay, this is much better. And you can go ahead and play with these colors by clicking here and changing the color and so on. Just get a gist of this tool once you go in here. And now if you want to, say, put instead of like having this square shaped, if you want to say heart shape or something, you can go in here. Let's play with the heart shape. So let's make it a little bit better so that the whole picture is inside your heart, inside this heart. And yep, this is better, but I don't like the border, so what I'll do is I'll go in here, reduce the border size. Now let's make it 0. Yep, this is much better. So now your QR code is ready. If you want to put it in any other shape, say this is circular one, and you can then download the your QR code in this large size. Just click here, it may ask you to sign up. Yeah, so let us know, like, if you face any difficulty, contact us at support@qrcodechimp.com. or contact us on Facebook. Share your images converted into QR code or your logo into QR code and share with us, and or like tag us on Facebook. Okay then, have a nice day. Bye bye.